All right, everyone, here we are on Saturday, November 9th, on a beautiful autumn day in St. Louis, Missouri. It's around 4:15, and we're taking a look at the 1986 Olds Tornado Brougham in the light teal blue metallic with the dark teal blue velour cloth interior. The car has 68,000 miles on it. I purchased it back in 2014, and I've only put a couple thousand miles on it in those years. The car has been repainted, but as you can see, very excellently. You know, there's some gaps here on the driver's door, but not a big thing. The car has very, very nice paint. I'll do a more detailed video at a later date, but just wanted to go down here and show some of the paint. The main reason why we're doing this video today is because I've had this car since 2014, and I have always wanted to see why the sunroof never worked. I knew that it needed a new headliner, which I'm in the process of doing that, but I just wanted to shoot a quick video of my results today, what I've been doing, and mainly I wanted to show this to my good friend Derek, who lives in Minnesota. So what we've had here is this car, the sunroof had leaked, and they had sealed it up with windshield caulking, windshield sealant, that black rubber gasket stuff. So I had taken down to a shop about an hour from my house to take the headliner out and get it recovered. And he also works on sunroofs, but this was a 2-year only sunroof, and he was concerned that it was going to be an issue. So I have spent the last 3 days breaking this windshield sealant loose from the glass, and as you can see, I have damaged the seal on the glass, or on the sunroof. And I have a NOS GM sunroof seal, so that won't be an issue. But the main thing here is what I want to show you, what has transpired and how this thing just turned out and it works. So let's go ahead and close it, and then we're going to vent it. Okay, that's the vent when you just want air in. Okay, and I had gotten it to do that, but I had not gotten it to open all the way, which would be, you know, the thing to do. So here we are, and look how smooth that thing operates. Now watch this. No noises or anything. Of course, I lubricated the tracks. Now watch it when it opens. See the wind deflector pop up there? That's how it's supposed to work. Look at that thing. See how smooth and quiet it is? And then she just closes, and then we'll vent her again. And then you close it. So you see the gaps there, but once we get the new seal in, you have to take the glass out to do that. Once you get the new seal in, that'll fill that in. So yeah, I was just thrilled to death, and the tape is on there to keep from scratching the paint. So that's no biggie. That's the painter's tape. So anyway, this video, I shot this for my buddy Derek in Minnesota, so I wanted him to see the fruits of my labor. And I tell you what, if I drank, which I don't, I would have myself a margarita for this. There she goes. See how it goes? Now it'll come back, and then it raises, pops up, and then it drops down to go into the roof. That's what it's supposed to do. And there she goes. She's closing. Bang. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.